Here's a pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-1000XM4. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go ahead and put the headphones in the pairing mode first, okay? So the left ear here, you only have two buttons, okay? You have a custom button and a power button, all right? So let's go ahead and turn these on. Power buttons here, let's press and hold till the light comes on, and then let go. It says power on. Oh no, it says Bluetooth connecting. You see a rapid beat there. So my headphones are trying to connect to a different device, probably to my iPhone or whatnot. So let me do this. What we want to do is put it in a pairing mode where it pulsates blue 2 times. Blue, 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 blue. Okay, so it's not doing that. So let me just turn these off first. Pressing for a whole 3 seconds, and then now it just said power off. Now what I'm going to do is press and hold, and I'm going to keep on holding it because it was trying to connect to a different device before. Now I'm going to keep on holding. It says power on. Bluetooth pairing. Now it's pulsating blue, 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 blue. Exactly what I want. Now it's in pairing mode. So now let's go to the TV here. Let me click on the home button on my TV. We want to go to the settings here. So on this model TV, I want to go left towards the 3 horizontal lines. So I'm going to go left, left, and now it turns, you can see the gear icon, the settings icon all the way to the left. So keep going left, settings right there. So on picture, we're going to go down to sound, then we're going to move over right 1 time. The sound output currently is going to my TV speakers, but we want to come out of these headphones. So let's click on sound output there. Let's go down to Bluetooth speaker list, and as soon as we click on that, now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode, okay? And this device here is in pairing mode. It's still blinking twice, blue, 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 blue. And let's see if it finds it. Oh, look at that. It just popped up down here. It needs pairing, the XM4s. Let me click on OK right there. Oh, pair and connect right there. Now it's connecting. And it just said Bluetooth is connected. You can see it right there. And we are connected there now. Now, if you guys had issues like pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these as well. Okay, if you need to factory reset these, look in the link below. All right, good luck, guys.